Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Whole Lot Stuff. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about a free masterclass which is on the topic of data science. Before starting this video, I would like to thank all of you for making me reach my target of 500 subscribers. I'm so glad that you are supporting me this way. If you want to know more free courses like these, you can comment down below the specific course, and I will let you know the free courses in that specific subject. Your support means a lot to me, and I hope that you keep sharing all my videos to your friends so that they also get advantage of these free courses. So let's start the video. This video is going to be about free masterclass on the topic data science. I have mentioned this link in the description. As you can see on the screen, we will also get a free certificate upon attending this masterclass. Let us know more about this free masterclass. We are going to get free certification. This program is for 8 hours. The program highlights also include case study immersion and also lifetime data science club access. As we scroll down below, we can see here details of this masterclass. In all, this free masterclass is going to be for 8.5 hours. That is, they are going to split those 8.5 hours into 4 days, which also includes introducing you to the world of data science, machine learning and others. Also, we will be knowing about the case study project on sales forecasting using machine learning, which will make us understand the demand and supply cycle of products and services. Upon attending this masterclass completely, you will also receive Data Science Club access, where you can stay updated about trends, opportunities and news of data science. You will also receive a certificate of completion and privileged access to career counseling. With all these, you will also receive an opportunity to interact with industry leaders through webinars and events. This program is going to start on 4th Feb and will end by 7th February. You can also see the course content here, that is what all topics are included in this free masterclass. Also pay attention to the timings of this masterclass. On day 1, they are going to help us understand about data science, and this session is from 7:30 am to 9:30 am. On day 2, you will understand what machine learning is. This session also starts from 7:30 am. On day 3, you will be knowing about the case study 1, that is on customer segmentation using machine, for your better understanding, and also know how to be a data scientist. This is going to be on Saturday from 10 am. On day 4, you will be learning about case study 2, which includes sales forecasting using machine, and also know how to accelerate your data science career. Day 4 session starts from 10 am and will end at 12:30 am. You can also know everything that is offered on this page by requesting a call or texting them on WhatsApp. There are different types of programs offered in this website. Your certificate of completion will look something like this. And this is all about the program which I have already said you. So who can attend this masterclass? If you are a student or fresher, or also a professional with 2 to 5 years of experience, then you can attend this masterclass. Apart from this, if you are a tech manager or also anyone who is interested and wants to make career in data science, then this masterclass is definitely for you. So that's all in today's video, guys. This was about free masterclass on the topic of data science. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video informative, hit the like button and also share it with your friends to whom this will be useful. And also hit the bell icon here if you want to get notified whenever I post a new video. Before ending today's video, I'm setting another target of 1000 subscribers. I know that you all will make me reach that target also. This is Vara signing off. Meet you in the next video with many more free courses. Bye. Happy learning.